Asus Zenfone 6 latest leaks are here and it's a bit disappointing, so stay with me in this video for 2 minutes and you will know why. First, let me tell you, Asus Zenfone 5G was one of the best and affordable flagship which provided great display, a very great speaker, and the body of this device was also premium, and such other minute things which made us love the Asus Zenfone 5G, and we expect much more from Zenfone 6. The Asus flagship Zenfone 6 has been subjected to a number of leaks in the past, and the company has also been sharing teasers for the phone on its social media handles. A fresh leak claims that the starting price of the Asus Zenfone 6 will be 19,990 in new Taiwanese dollars, which directly translates to approximately Rs 45,000. So now you know why I'm disappointed. The price is just too much, and that too for the base variant. The Asus flagship will be launched in 3 storage models. The 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage model will be priced at around Rs 45,000. The 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage model will be priced at around Rs 54,000, and the 12GB RAM plus 512GB storage model will be priced at around Rs 67,000. The price will be decreased when launched in Indian market, but checking out these prices, it's really hard to assume what could be the price here in India. Asus Zenfone 6 will be launched in Valencia, Spain on 16th May, and you can watch it at 11:30 PM if you are from India. Other than that, the phone will launch with Snapdragon 855 processor. According to a teaser poster shared by Asus, the Zenfone 6 will have a bezel-less design with a full screen display without a notch or a hole. It is not clear whether the phone will go with a pop-up mechanism or employ a slider design to host the selfie camera, but from most leaks that we have seen, there is more chance that it will be a slider design. So guys, I think this will not be any more affordable flagship, and the rest of the specs you already know, so why waste your time? Comment your thoughts below and I will see you in the next one.